Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a gel dessert in Blender. This model is inspired by 3D masshiro. Please check out her channel for more detailed tutorials. I'm using Blender 4.1 and you'll see the shortcuts I use in the top left corner. To begin with, I create a cylinder and set the vertices to 10. In Edit mode, I switch to X-ray mode and adjust the top, bottom and height. Then, I extrude the individual faces to give it a jelly shape. After that, I add the subdivision modifier and set it to 3. Then right-click and select Shade Smooth. Next, I add loop cuts to the top, middle and bottom to make the surfaces smoother. I turn on proportional editing and adjust the shape to make it look puffier. In face selection mode, I select the top part and set it and move it along the negative z-axis. To create the cream, I add a path, circle curve, and a Bezier curve. After adjusting the angles of Bezier curve, I right-click and subdivide by 2. I select the circle and subdivide by 3. Select every third point and scale down. After selecting the path, I go to the Data tab. Under Geometry, select the Bezier curve as the taper object. Under Bevel section, I choose the Bezier circle as the object. Adjust the ending points. And now the cream is ready to be placed on the jelly. Move the vertices in the edit mode to shape them the cream. You can also use extrude to make it more curled. I group everything into a new collection and hide them to create the cherry. 3D masshiro also has another video for it, so go and check out if you want. I simply wanted to do it on my way. Add a sphere, right-click, and select Shade Smooth. Then in Edit mode, pick 1 or 2 vertical lines and scale it down. Select the top part and move it down a little. Lastly, adjust some vertices to shape it. For the stem, I use a cylinder. Scale it down and add loop cuts. Move the loop cuts to make the cherry stem look more natural. After finishing, I move the cherry and the stem to a new collection and scale them to fit on top of the cream. Next, I create a cake stand using the extrude and inset tools. Don't forget to add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth for smoother edges. We are almost done. Just set up a nice scene with some lighting and background elements. You can use your creativity to create different backgrounds.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free.
I add materials to the objects. Remember, for the jelly effect, set roughness to 0 and transmission to 1.
Laughing, having fun.
If you render it with EV selected, you'll get something like this. But when you render with cycle selected, you'll achieve this result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any requests or suggestions in the comments. See you in the next video.